In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Intercom profile. Getting your Intercom profile just right can really help enhance your professional digital presence, and it only takes a few moments. So let's get started and walk through this setup process together. First, take a look at your screen and direct your attention to the bottom left corner. You'll see your avatar there. Hover your mouse over it, and with a gentle click, you'll want to select your name. This is your gateway to accessing and adjusting your profile settings. Once you've clicked on your name, next up is personalizing your profile picture. You'll notice a pencil icon located on your current picture. Go ahead and click on that pencil icon. It represents edit mode. From your computer, select an image that best represents you and set it as your new profile picture. It's amazing how a simple image can speak volumes about who you are. Now, while you're still in your profile, click on Edit located right next to Public Profile. This step is crucial as it opens up various customization options you'll want to explore. Here you have the opportunity to ensure that your name and Intercom email are accurately displayed. This is often the first thing people will see besides your photo, so make it count. Beyond the basics, you can further enrich your profile by adding your job title, department, and phone number if you choose. These details can provide valuable context, especially if your role involves frequent communication. Let's not forget about adding a short bio. Intercom allows you to share a snapshot about yourself using a 160 character limit. Use this space wisely to give people a quick taste of your personality or professional background in your own words. If you're someone who loves being organized or needs to coordinate meetings efficiently, consider linking your Google or Outlook calendar. This addition can facilitate smoother scheduling for both you and those trying to connect with you. Finally, once you've reviewed all the information and are satisfied with your edits, look for the Done button next to Public Profile and click it. With this final step, all your changes will be saved, solidifying your polished and personalized Intercom profile. And there you have it. Setting up your Intercom profile is that straightforward. It's all about making sure that what you portray digitally aligns with who you are, providing a gateway for professional connections. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helps you present your best self on Intercom.